Have you ever found yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media, comparing your life to others, and feeling anxious or down? Well, you're not alone. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, but it's also becoming a significant contributor to poor mental health. Welcome to EduFamilia. In this video, we'll explore how social media is ruining your mental health and what you can do to combat it. Let me tell you a story about my friend Sarah. Sarah is a young woman who's always been confident and outgoing. However, she began to feel anxious and unhappy after spending more time on social media. She would see pictures of her friends traveling to exotic locations, buying expensive things, and living what seemed like perfect lives. Sarah felt like she was missing out and started to question her worth and happiness. She realized that social media was affecting her mental health in a significant way. Comparison trap. One of the main ways that social media affects our mental health is through the comparison trap. We see others' highlight reels on social media, and we compare ourselves to them. We forget that social media is a curated version of reality, and we start to feel like we're not good enough. This constant comparison can lead to feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and even depression. Social isolation. Another way that social media can harm our mental health is by causing social isolation. We spend so much time scrolling through our feeds that we forget to connect with the people around us. We become more focused on our online lives than our real ones, which can lead to feelings of loneliness and disconnection. Sleep disruption. Social media can also disrupt our sleep patterns. We stay up late scrolling through our feeds, and the blue light from our screens suppresses our body's natural production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. This disruption can lead to insomnia, fatigue, and mood swings. Cyberbullying. Finally, social media can expose us to cyberbullying, which can have a significant impact on our mental health. Cyberbullying can cause feelings of anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. It's essential to be aware of cyberbullying and take steps to protect ourselves and others from it. Conclusion. Social media can be a great tool for staying connected with friends and family, but it can also harm our mental health in various ways. It's crucial to be aware of how social media affects us and take steps to combat it. We can do this by limiting our social media use, being mindful of our thoughts and feelings when using social media, and focusing on real-life connections. Remember, your mental health is essential, and it's okay to take a break from social media when you need to. Let's make sure we use social media mindfully and maintain our mental well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us, so please don't hesitate to leave a comment with any questions or suggestions you may have. We look forward to hearing from you.